the Saarang and Sahana YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be presenting to you a combination keypad riddle. So here it is. Some bad news. You and two of your friends have been captured by aliens, and you're about to be thrown into a dungeon. Before you're thrown into the dungeon, you notice multiple hallways and each of them have multiple exits, but the exits are blocked by electric barriers, and each exit has a combination keypad right next to it. Once you're in the dungeon, an alien tells you the directions. One person, picked by you and your friends, must go to one of the hallways and to one of the exits and try to enter the correct code on the combination keypad. You choose Olivia, as she's a perfect logician. Before Olivia leaves, without the alien noticing, you stuff an audio transmitter into her hair so you're able to hear what Olivia hears too. You wish Olivia good luck, and she's off. Through the audio transmitter, Olivia, you hear the directions that are given to Olivia. The directions are the correct answer to the combination keypad is 3 numbers, and those 3 numbers are either 1-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers. And the second number is greater than or equal to the first number, and the third number is greater than or equal to the second number. You cannot, if you say a wrong answer or say something else, you'll be thrown back into the dungeon with your 2 friends, and the next morning you'll be eaten by hungry wolves. Olivia then asks for the first clue. And the first clue is the product of the 3 numbers is 36. Olivia then asks for the second clue. The sum of the 3 numbers is the same as your hallway number. Olivia stops and thinks here. Simultaneously, you're also thinking that you don't know Olivia's hallway number, but she probably remembers it. After a long time of thinking, Olivia finally asks for the 3rd clue. If Olivia had remembered her hallway number, she could have entered the code then and there, but she didn't. She asked for the 3rd clue. And the 3rd clue was the largest digit only appears once, which means the 3rd number in the correct answer to the combination keypad only appears once. Olivia now knows the correct answer, and she punches in the correct code and escapes. From here, the audio transmitter dies, and that's all you hear. Now, you and your other friend are going to be eaten by the wolves the next morning, unless you escape in the night by entering the correct code through the same hallway. What is the code, and what is the hallway? So some tips to help you are the 3 numbers that are the answer to the combination keypad can either be 1-digit or 2-digit. And the 3 clues were the product of the 3 numbers is 36. The sum of the 3 numbers is the same as Olivia's hallway number. You don't know Olivia's hallway number, but she does. And the 3rd clue is the largest digit only appears once. Olivia needs and uses all 3 clues to enter the correct code.